Hello and welcome to one more informative video from InfoButter. If you are a developer or someone who is using MVC .NET 8 or any recent versions of .NET, then it is possible that you must have encountered this kind of an error screen. This error is basically a default error page created within .NET framework. So whenever you're trying to deploy the application, normally it doesn't come on your local systems, but when you're trying to deploy an application or upload it and try to run it, if there are any error in the application, you start to see this screen. So in this video, we'll see how we can remove this completely, and after that you would be able to see the actual error, because this is not the actual error that you're facing. It is just asking you to change the mode to development so that the actual error can be shown. If the application is being built using .NET framework, then it is possible that you're using a Windows server, and in that Windows server you have something called IIS. So we need to make some changes there to get rid of this screen. So I'll take you to the IIS screen, and from there we'll continue. Now I'm logged into the Windows server, and I have already opened this IIS manager screen. Uh, Let me just maximize it first, and under this you need to find configuration manager. Scroll a bit down and you have this configuration manager here, and under this configuration manager you have to look for system.web server. So system.web server, where is it? System.web server, and under this you need to find ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Core, let me just try to find. Here it is. Once you open this ASP.NET Core window, you have to look for the environment variable. Here it is, and just click on these three dots, and as you can see, there is something called environment variable ASP.NET Core environment, but the value is missing. In case you do not see this, you can simply add these values from here, and mention name as ASP.NET Core environment, and set the value as development, because that's what the error is asking us to do. And we can delete the previous value because it is not required. Okay, save, close this. We also don't save the changes, and now it's time to open the application to see whether it is working or not. As you can see, the default error screen is gone, and now you have the actual error that the application has, which you may fix being a developer. Thank you very much guys for watching, and do click on the subscribe button, because that's the only way I get to know that you like my videos.